Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we explore the world of interior design and bring you the latest trends and tips. Today, we're delving into an often overlooked area of our properties, the side yard garden design inspiration. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Side yard, many see it as a narrow, unused space, but with thoughtful design, it can become a beautiful and functional extension of your home. We'll explore the meaning of side house garden design, its benefits, how to create a successful design, and the best elements to incorporate. Let's clarify what we mean by side house garden design. It's more than just planting a few shrubs along the side of your house. It's about strategically planning and designing this often narrow space to maximize its potential. It considers the architecture of your home, the surrounding environment, and your personal needs and preferences. A well-designed side garden can serve various purposes, from a tranquil retreat to a functional pathway or even a productive kitchen garden. It's about transforming what might be an awkward, neglected area into an integral part of your home's landscape. The advantages of a thoughtfully planned side garden are numerous. First and foremost, it enhances the aesthetic appeal of your property. It adds visual interest and curb appeal, creating a more welcoming and inviting home. Beyond aesthetics, a side garden can increase your property value. A well-landscaped home is always more attractive to potential buyers. Functionally, it can provide additional outdoor living space, whether it's a quiet reading nook, a play area for children, or a space for outdoor dining. A side garden can also improve your home's microclimate by providing shade and cooling in the summer and acting as a windbreak in the winter. And finally, gardening itself is a therapeutic and rewarding activity, offering a connection to nature and a sense of accomplishment. How do you create a successful side house garden design? Creating a successful side garden requires careful planning and consideration. Begin by assessing the space. Measure the length and width, note the amount of sunlight it receives, and consider the existing drainage. Think about the purpose of the garden. Do you want a space for relaxation, entertaining, or growing vegetables? Consider your personal style and preferences. Do you prefer a formal, structured garden or a more natural, informal look? Next, develop a design plan. Sketch out your ideas, considering the placement of plants, pathways, and any other features. Choose plants that are appropriate for the climate, soil conditions, and amount of sunlight in your side yard. Consider the mature size of the plants to avoid overcrowding. And finally, don't forget the hardscape elements, such as pathways, patios, and fences, which provide structure and definition to the garden. What are the best elements to incorporate into a side house garden design? The best elements to include in your side garden will depend on your individual needs and preferences, but here are some popular and effective ideas. First, vertical elements. Utilize trellises, climbing plants, or even a living wall to maximize space and add visual interest. Second, pathway. Create a clear and inviting pathway through the garden, using materials like flagstone, gravel, or stepping stones. Third, seating area. Incorporate a bench, a small patio set, or even a hammock for a relaxing space to enjoy your garden. Fourth, water feature. A small fountain or bird bath can add a soothing sound and attract wildlife. Fifth, lighting. Strategically placed lighting can enhance the beauty of your garden at night and create a warm and inviting ambience. 6th, container gardening. If space is limited, use containers to grow flowers, herbs, or vegetables. 7th, privacy screen. A fence, hedge, or strategically placed shrubs can provide privacy from neighbors. 8th, raised beds. Ideal for vegetable gardening, raised beds improve drainage and make gardening easier. 9th, color palette. Choose a cohesive color scheme for your plants and hardscape elements to create a harmonious look. 10th, personal touches. Add personal touches like artwork, sculptures, or wind chimes to reflect your individual style. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best side house garden design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The Zen Retreat. A minimalist design with gravel pathways, bamboo, and a small water feature for a calming and serene atmosphere. 2. The Cottage Garden. A charming and informal design with a mix of flowering plants, herbs, and climbing roses. 3. The Mediterranean Oasis. A sun-drenched design with drought-tolerant plants, gravel, and terracotta pots, evoking the warmth of the Mediterranean. 4. The Modern Minimalist. A clean and contemporary design with geometric shapes, sleek lines, and a limited color palette. 5. The Vertical Garden. A space-saving design utilizing walls and fences to create a lush and vibrant vertical garden. 6. The Edible Garden. A productive design with raised beds or containers filled with herbs, vegetables, and fruit trees. 7. The Secret Garden. A secluded and enclosed space with a hidden pathway, creating a sense of mystery and tranquility. 8. The Shady Nook. A design specifically for areas with limited sunlight, featuring shade-loving plants and a cool, tranquil atmosphere. 9. The Wildlife Haven. A design that attracts birds, butterflies, and other wildlife with native plants, a bird bath, and a small pond. 10. The Family-Friendly Space. A versatile design that caters to the needs of the whole family, with a play area for children, a seating area for adults, and a mix of plants and hardscape. Transforming your side yard into a beautiful and functional garden is a worthwhile investment that will enhance your home and your lifestyle. Remember to carefully plan, consider your needs and preferences, and choose elements that complement your home and the surrounding environment. We hope these ideas have inspired you to unleash the potential of your side yard. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home and garden ideas. And let us know in the comments below what your favorite side garden design ideas are. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.